Hi, I'm Jeremiah with Overland Pioneers, and today I'm going to show you guys how we outfitted our HUCK Cycles Overland AT Enduro Motorbike for overlanding. First, we added a robust headlight brush guard. Next, we moved back to the handlebars. First, we added the Garmin Inreach handlebar mount. The Garmin Inreach Mini is a satellite messaging, tracking, and GPS device which also has SOS on it. So when out in remote places, if you get in trouble, press and hold the SOS button and the cavalry comes. Next, we put the quad lock phone mount system on the handlebars. We also have this in the Gladiator, so it's great to be able to snap it off the dash and snap it onto our bike. Attaching and detaching is easy, just press the handle and turn. It also comes with different handlebar grommet sizes. Next, we added the giant loop handlebar bag. It has two vinyl covered straps that attach with Velcro and then also secure with loops that have reflective material on them. This bag is perfect for small basics like your wallet, extra keys, and charging cables. Being all electric, this bike of course comes with accessory USB and USB-C plugs. Finally, we move to the rear of the bike to outfit the Panter and cargo racks. For this, we've chosen the giant loop MOTOTREKK Panter bags. We think these things have a great look to them. Giant Loop has been in the moto game for years, so these guys get it right. With some minor drilling, we use the giant loop Panter mounts to attach directly to the HUCK Cycles mount, and these things are as sturdy as can be. The Panter bags are removable with these very well made clips. Each side of these hold 25 liters of storage. Simply unclip the 4 clips, unroll the waterproof bag, and storage galore. They are made from welded waterproof fabric, so all the contents stay dust and moisture free. For the top cargo space, we chose the REVELSTOKE dry bag. This bag is covered with daisy chains and aluminum D-rings to secure it to about anything you can think of, and it functions the same as the Panter bag systems. This bag is going to be perfect to throw the bike's own charger in. One more unique piece of kit is the Sea-Sucker action camera mount. The bike having a large flat surface on top of it is a perfect mounting point. Should make for some unique angles. And last but not least, this bike comes standard with off-road tires.